Okay, so now we're in video number 2 for the ambulance. Let's focus on the special customer. So for ambulance, there is a special customer. It's for Nexus. Not every single dropdown will have a special customer, but if this special customer portion pertains to you, I'll walk you through it briefly. Works identical to the way the system did previously in JotForm, and as you can see, it's not a mandatory question. So this will only affect you if you need to utilize it. If you were selecting Nexus Group, it will pop up with their specific information listed below and has a pre-built determined package for $575. This eliminates you from having to pick these individually and speeds up the process of ordering Nexus Group ambulances that are always identical. So in this case, when I select it, it adds the $575 to my total, and then it will show up down here on my final price. Okay. If you do not need the Nexus special package, you can remove it and then unselect it, and you're right back to where you began a moment ago. As new customers get added in and we are ordering things with frequency, I'll be able to add in additional special customers as they're needed. So just reach out to me or to Mindy and let us know if that's something that we feel that we'll need to do to help expedite your orders in the future.